the line y equals ax plus 2, where a is constant, is graphed in the xy plane. If the line contains the point KL, k is different than 0, L is different than 0, what is the slope of the line in terms of k and L? So we have given line y is equal ax plus 2. The slope is coefficient before x. What else we have? We have that the line contains the point KL. Because this point belongs to our function, our line, so we can substitute first coordinate by k and the second by L. So y is L, so we have L is equal a, we copy, x is k plus 2. So now we have what? L is equal ak plus 2. And we have to find the slope of line in terms of k and L. So what we have to do now? We have to calculate from this equation a, because a is the slope. Coefficient before x is the slope. So we will calculate a from this equation. So first I will move 2 to the left side. So we will have L minus 2 is equal ak. What next? We want to have a. We have here multiplication. So now I will divide both sides by k. So k and k we can reduce, and we have that a is equal L minus 2 over k. So we found the slope of our line in terms of k and L. K is different than 0, so k can be in the denominator. Everything is okay. This is my solution.